hello. Maybe first can get a customer. Hello, we are going to. You want to take a picture with us? Yeah, together.
Take a mask?
Oh, no. We must wear the mask. Yeah. Yeah. How do you feel about this exhibition this year?
It's okay.
It's okay.
Not bad. Not bad, but need more polymer, more factory, more company. Like
Can you see any new products?
Yeah. Anything.
Yeah.
More content fair.
Yeah, the new product.
Bigger one.
Yeah, bigger one. Yeah, we need to cherish every time because now is the pandemic time, so we need to cherish every every exhibition. Yeah.
Yes, we hope finish this pandemic.
Yeah, we hope
will be come back again, same before.
Yeah, we feel very happy to see you here.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, 如果你忙的话，可以叫其他人做你的采访。
没关系。
And together, because this lady is going to show their new products for us. Do you want to together?
Maybe you have chance to make a business with her. Maybe in future.
No problem. Where are you from?
Iraq.
Iraq. Oh yeah. Good place. Now, how about the pandemic in your country?
Maybe so. Not well.
Not well.
But I think in next
year,
months, 3 months, maybe it's better.
Yeah.
Because I have now vaccine.
Perfect.
Many people can open mind and get that vaccine.
Yeah. So
before we afraid from vaccine, from like this. But now I think change mind to get vaccine and wear a mask.
Wear a mask. Yeah.
Because only this way for end this epidemic.
Yeah. Because we must be a global pandemic and then cause for a global response together. Yeah. Okay.
We cooperation together, all world.
Yeah, all we together. To win this pandemic. Yeah. Okay. 会不会打扰你啊？
应该没关系。
那我们就继续采访你吧。Maybe we take a seat all together.
Yeah, I will introduce our products.
Yeah, together. Yeah, okay.
You want together or you can take no problem.
你可以拿着这个是你的OK.
Hello, I'm Claudia from JINGXI Lighting Company. Our main products are for the LED glass and also the LED bulb. Our most advantage is that we make the most by ourselves. We make the cover. Also, we make the package like the cover box, also the foam, and also the plastic cap for the TA we make by ourselves. Also, we have our workshop to make the driver. We buy the components from outside, but we can assemble the driver. Also, like the transformer, we make it by ourselves. So we have now we have the 30 production lines for the TA glass tube, and we have the 60 production line for the LED bulb. And the one line we can make about 15,000 pieces for one production line. So let's look at our products. For example, for this glass tube, 2.4 meter. Now our main market are for the Brazil market. We can make with high shape and also with the
Hey, sir. Hello, sir.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
So this one is a 2.4 meter T8 glass tube, 65 watt with the normal power factor. And this is the 1.5 meter tube.
Maybe lose them because already go.
Okay.
And another products for our special products is this T5 glass tube. Now, before we make this by the hand make. Now we have a new production line. we can make by automatic production line for this T5 glass tube. We can make 1.2 meter and also 0.6 meter. And this 2.4 meter glass tube also for especially for the Brazil market and also Argentina. And this is with a high power factor 0.9 PF. For this LED bulb, we have we can make for different market with normal voltage or like the Brazil. This for the Brazil market with EMC and with the full voltage from 100 to 265 voltage. So the size for Brazil market have 5 sizes: A55, A60, and A65. With this for 5 watt, 7 watt, 9 watt, 12 watt, and 15 watt. And for this kind of design, we can make a linear design and also driver design. And this is our new products can make according to our new ERP standard.
This is MR16?
Yes. MR16 and the GO10.
How many watts of this?
We make now this sample is 7 watt.
7 watt. Okay.
Yeah. For this candle, we can make 5 watt and also 7 watt. So that's all for our products.
Okay. Yeah, may I have your name card?
Yes.
No problem. No problem. No, it's Cardi. Yeah, if everyone like the lamps or the LED tubes can contact Cardi. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.